Good afternoon, folks. Today we are going to make a meat pie. It is approximately 10 pounds of meat, and we're going to layer it with some breadcrumbs, some lemon, pepper, and some other seasonings. So what you want to do is spread your first 2 to 3 pounds along the bottom. Now if you get that on layered and smashed out a little bit, we want to start to add the breadcrumbs and some of the other seasonings. Folks, we have all 3 layers on. We were able to make it fit. So this is approximately 10 pounds of beef. This is 90-10, so it's a leaner cut. So to make sure that it stays moist for the entire cook, we're going to take just a little bit of grapeseed oil and just sort of pour it over it. Not much. And we forgot to mention back at the start, but while you're doing this, be preheating your oven to 350. This takes about 2 hours to cook. So we're going to go ahead and get our oil on here, and then we're going to cover it. Wait until the oven hits 350, and we will cook it and come back and show you guys then. Okay, folks, this is the final product. So we're going to summarize all on what we did. This is about almost 10 pounds of ground beef at the 90-10. So we put a layer of meat, some seasoning blend, some lemon, pepper, breadcrumbs, some cream of celery, some cream of mushroom, some of our pepper sauce and cheese, then another layer of meat and everything except for pepper sauce, and then the final and third layer of meat. This cooked almost 2.5 hours. It was done, but then we decided to put a crust on it, so we put some cheese and some breadcrumbs and cooked that for about another 20 to 25 minutes, and this is the final product. Oh, and one other thing that I forgot to mention is that because this is 90-10, we didn't want it to dry out, so we put a little bit of grapeseed oil over it there just to help to keep it moist. If you have a fattier meat, like say the 80-20, then you really wouldn't need to add any oil. So we're going to let this cool, and hopefully about like 20 minutes there we'll go ahead and cut into it to eat. But we pulled this right at the 165 mark, and of course this will continue to climb because it's cast iron, so it'll probably top out at about like 170 plus. So thanks for watching. Hope you guys enjoyed it, and hopefully we'll see you next time.